Hey guys, it's Arlen. I am coming on real quick to give a quick message to a certain group of people, and I'm not sure who it is, but you'll know if you resonate. Really, this message is for those of you out there who maybe you know innately, or like your soul has been guiding you to share something, like to share something on more of a like out publicly. It could be like art, it could be music, it could be writing, it could be like a message, it could be something you've like created or invented, even something that you've created basically, and it needs to be expressed. And I want to encourage you that Spirit has been telling me, like, do it. Just do it. Find a way to get it out there, to share it. Start small if you need to, but just do it. Because when you do it, you are, not only does your soul just, but you connect, and you might be connecting a dot for somebody that you never realized, because you'd just be surprised. But you just get it out there. It's time to put out what we create. To share what we create, and not be fearful of it, to know that confidence is really already there. Our confidence has never gone anywhere. We have full confidence in ourselves. However, our egos create this shell around the outside of it, and so as we peel back those layers and we face the fears, we face the shadows, right, that might be hard pieces of ourselves that we don't really want to look at. As we begin to face those things, the fears will dissipate and you'll begin to share more. And you might be surprised just how far you get as you just continue to peel those layers back. You might just look back and be shocked with yourself. Like, wow, I did that, I created that, I did it. You have the ability already innately in you, and you are gifted for this time space to be sharing this, and we in essence need you to share it, because like I said, connecting the dots, like what you put out may connect to somebody else, and then it'll connect to somebody else, and it connects, and it all just, you got to get it out in the ether. And right now it's important to get it out in the ether. So that is my message, just encouraging you to put it out. Don't wait any longer. Put it out. You'll know the right time, the right space, the right place, even what platform or how, or the way to go about it. But this is just Spirit-led message to somebody out there that needs to take that step, and to know that it's gonna be okay. And I came from a space where for years, I even held microphones. I was on stages and sharing my poetry and sharing like my rhymes, whatever. But I was still terrified. I still had a lot to work through, because I would get on and then I'd run out, and I didn't even want to hear what anybody had to say about it. I didn't want any critique. I didn't want anything. I just, didn't want to deal with it. So for some time, I've always known, and I know that my soul has always told me, like, you have to speak out. This is part of communication, is part of my place here, and so sharing is just all part of it. And you have to just start taking the steps, and it's like peeling the layer of an onion back. It's just gonna grow as you start to do it. But listen to your soul, listen to what Spirit's saying, and you'll know. And if you don't, if you keep holding it back, the opportunity's going to keep coming back around, until you do it. It's going to keep running in a circle. Get it out there, share it. If you feel like sharing it with me, please send me whatever it is, or I don't know, link me, I don't know. Let me know. This message is just for you. All right? I love you guys. All right, bye.